I will show you a comparison between Builderall and SystemeIO, a comparison for affiliate marketers. So we will take the same price plan, the plan here on SystemeIO, it's $97 per month. This is the unlimited plan. And on Builderall, we'll take the, it's called the Premium, Builderall Premium with WordPress. So WP Premium, it is at $97.90 per month. So for the price, it's similar, but the product itself, the plan, is different. But before, or maybe we will not even enter into the details, we are going to talk about the affiliate commission, the affiliate plan. So remember, Builderall Premium WP is $97.90 per month for the customer. The commission is 30% minus some fees. So it's 10% of the commission. So in reality, your commission is 27%. So it amounts to $26.43 per month for a sale of a Builderall Premium plan, WP plan. But there is a rule in Builderall. If you don't make new sale in 90 days, then you become an inactive affiliate for them. So they reduce all the commission by 50%. So if you have recurring commissions coming in from past sales, it's not 27% anymore. Now it's down to 13.5%. So your recurring commission, if you don't make any new sale after 90 days and going on, it will be $13.22 for this Builderall Premium WP plan. The customer that is paying monthly. So you will get only this per month, or only this if it's if you are actively selling once a month or more, or once every 3 months or more. That's it. And for SystemeIO unlimited plan, $97, the commission for all the plans is 50%. So it's $48.50. And there is no rule about inactive or active affiliate, making new sales. Once you have secured a sale, it's forever. Which was the case, by the way, with Builderall up until February 2023. For years, and to be honest, this rule is not common. The new rule of being an inactive affiliate and we steal 50% commission from you, this is a new rule. It is a dick move, which is called a dick move. They are stealing money from affiliates for the work they have done before. Because the customers, they don't pay 50% less, they still pay the full price. It's just the Builderall company don't pay all the commissions to the affiliate, only half of them. They say it's to motivate affiliates, but affiliates don't need your concern, Builderall. So, you see I have something to say about that, but I will not say it. We will not just compare the things. I mean, even without this rule, you can see that the commission percentage is lower. And the fees is a rule that has been added, but a few years back, they took a 10% fees, whatever. So in fact, it's 27%. But there is, we can see here, there is an advantage. Not a significant advantage to Builderall. It is that he has a second affiliate level. So the second affiliate level means that your customers, if they are themselves affiliates and selling plans, you get 30, in fact, you get the same amount as if you were the affiliate. So it's a second level at the same rate. So it's 30%, in fact 27%, for all the sales that your customers who are also affiliates, those affiliates, if they sell, you get also the same amount as if you were doing it yourself. So that's an advantage. But it's the same, if you don't sell one new account in 90 days, then you become an inactive affiliate and you get 13.5% also on those second level commissions. So it's the same. But this is the advantage of Builderall, the second level. For SystemeIO, it has only one affiliate level. Yes, and it has upper limits in some of the similar tools. Because Builderall, the difference now, we are talking about the features of the plan that we are selling for the same price. Builderall has, it has a lot of tools. And a lot of those tools are not in SystemeIO. But some tools, the main tools, they are similar. SystemeIO has those main tools, Builderall has them, but in Builderall you have more tools that are not as mainly used, so it has more. But on the main tools that are similar to both, the SystemeIO Unlimited plan has upper limits. We will see it in this video. So to summarize this, imagine you have 10 active sales. It means you have 10 customers, you brought 10 Builderall Premium WP and 10 SystemeIO Unlimited plans, and they are paying every month. So for Builderall, you will earn $264.30 every month. For SystemeIO, you will earn $485. So it's almost double for SystemeIO. But Builderall, you could possibly have more money than this if the 10 customers that you have, they are also doing affiliate work and getting people in Builderall. So you could get money on this second level. It's a possibility. On SystemeIO, no. There's no possibility. Even if they sell SystemeIO, you will not get any part of this money. But on Builderall, if you have sold 10 accounts and then you stop selling after 3 months, 90 days, you will be earning every month $132.20 instead of the 200. So at this stage, you will be like 4 times less than SystemeIO, because SystemeIO doesn't have these things about inactive affiliate. So SystemeIO, as long as your customers are paying, you will get this money monthly, but no second level. But now, if we want to talk in details, as an affiliate, you will sell. Of course, when you look at it, it depends on yourself. But let's say you are very active affiliate. You can sell. You don't want to sell once every 3 months. You want to sell once every week, once every day. So you are very active, and also you like to teach other people how you are doing things. So they come in, they join your team, and they sell more. In this case, if you are successful, then Builderall is attractive because, of course, because of the second level, you can teach your team to sell, and when they sell, you get money also from their sales. And yourself, you will never be an inactive affiliate, because it will not happen that you will not sell for 3 months if you are active, successful, and everything. So for Builderall, for this, it's okay. Money will keep on coming in, and you will be at 27% on 2 levels. So that's good. And for SystemeIO, if you sell a lot, then you will get also a lot of money, double. I mean, you sell one SystemeIO account, you will get about the same money as if you sell 2 Builderall accounts. So it's but now we have to see also what you are selling. How easy is it to sell Builderall, and how easy is it to sell SystemeIO? Because we know that if you can sell one SystemeIO, you get the same money as if you sell 2 Builderalls. So to be equal, it will mean that Builderall should be twice as easy to sell as SystemeIO in order to be the same money for the same amount of effort from your part, to convince, to promote the things. Because if Builderall is twice as easy to sell, then it's okay that it's half the money you get from a sale. It will be the same amount of effort for money for effort. But in reality, to be real with you, it's not like this. I would say it's even the way around. So it means that SystemeIO is at least twice as easy to sell as Builderall. And why is that? I'm talking now, of course. Maybe in a year it will have changed, but I'm talking about now. Because Builderall has many tools, but it's a mess. And people don't need many tools. If they are going to buy something, it's to have a need for something. And if they look at SystemeIO, they will find all they need. But the rest of the tools that you have in Builderall are useful, but only when you have already your base. So, I mean, to be clear, imagine you have a tool about making messenger chatbot. But for a business, the main things you need to have is maybe a website or email capture page, or to be able to sell something online, to have your payment method, the sales page, and all the automation that to deliver your product, for instance. So those are the main tools that a business needs to have, and then they can get to Facebook chatbots, Instagram chatbots, or other kind of tools in order to improve the attractiveness of their base, the things they have, so the email marketing and everything. So you see, the important tools, they are both in SystemeIO and Builderall. And then the other tools to improve it, they are only in Builderall. And so, to sell, it depends on who you are talking to. If you are talking to people already having a business, then you can maybe more easily sell Builderall, because those people, they know that they already have the base with this or this tool, WordPress or other things. So they know they have those tools. They need to migrate to a new thing that they will buy. So, but you can talk to them about the other tools of the platform, Builderall. So they will choose Builderall instead of nothing, or instead of SystemeIO. Nothing meaning they stay with their current organization, the tools they use. So that's why if you talk to those persons, you have maybe a little bit more chance to sell Builderall, because when they make the effort of moving their business to a new platform, it will be for a reason, because of the extra tools that they get in Builderall. But now, if you are talking to new people who have no online business experience, they just want to have the base covered, and the base covered, they are in both platforms. So it will not be easier to sell one or the other, talking about the extra tools, only the base tools. And if you talk only about the base tools, the problem is that Builderall has less limits. For instance, email marketing, you see, in a Builderall Premium WP, the limitation is 10,000 subscribers, and the disk space for your website is 10 gigabytes. But in SystemeIO, on the unlimited plan, you can have an unlimited number of email subscribers and to send emails, and you have also unlimited amount of file storage space, not 10 gigabytes. It's unlimited. So if you want to store videos, images, those are the things that takes the most space, or PDF files, I don't know, but what takes space. It's unlimited. And in fact, it's unlimited for everything that you can see here because of the name. But some of those things in Builderall, you don't have limitations also. For instance, let's take an example. I don't know, the number of students that you can have when you create an online course. Well, it's unlimited on SystemeIO, but it's also unlimited on Builderall. But on some tools, you have limitations. For instance, here you see you can only have 15 domain names attached to your account. You can have more, but you need to pay more if you want. So, this price is limited at 15 domain names. But on SystemeIO, the number of domain names that you can see somewhere here, custom domains, it's unlimited. So on one account, you could have 30 domain names, and you will be still paying $97 a month. So you see, it depends on who you are talking to, what are their needs, but often SystemeIO will be enough for them, for their needs. And then you will have the ease of use and the reliability of the tools. So for the ease of use, I mean, I'm sure it comes down to personal preference. So you can make a demo on Builderall, for instance, how to set up a lead capture page and send an email campaign to those who subscribe to this, So just make a demo in how long and how easy it is to do it with Builderall, and how easy it is to do it on SystemeIO. I mean, you can achieve that on both systems. So after, it's a matter of preference. But with system, less tools means less confusion, because of course you don't have to show those tools because you don't have them. And in Builderall, the menu, for example, for the tools, it's big. On SystemeIO, the tools is small. So small is simpler than big. So, so of course, on this ease of use, Builderall is not going to win. Never, in fact. Because of the nature of each software. They are not the same, And I told you, like, here we are choosing the premium WP. What means WP? It means you can have a WordPress to create a blog or a site. You have a WordPress server and install, and even a plugin for the web editor, Builderall Builder plugin for WordPress that you can use with your plan, your premium WP plan, or even on a WordPress on another web server. So this you don't have in SystemeIO. In SystemeIO, when they say blogs, unlimited, so you can have as many blogs as you want, those are not WordPress blogs. It is a tool for blogging made by SystemeIO. And if you compare, imagine you are talking to someone who wants to blog, to have a blog. SystemeIO will not cut it because it's a blog which has no RSS feed. If you don't know what that is, that's okay, but imagine it's like a car without, without wheels. It means every car has wheels, but not this one. And it's the same for the blog. So it's not a blog if it doesn't have this, but also as you don't have any plugins possible, you are limited. But so this is not good. On the other hand, here when you have WordPress, which is over 15 years or 20 years of being a #1 blog platform, so this is very good for this. So if you're talking to someone who wants to blog, it will be easy to sell this. Say, okay, take this, you have a web server, and you also have the powerfulness of all the other suites of tools. You will never need anything else with this. I mean, so to go back, I think it's the end of the video. If you are just an affiliate marketer, you don't care, you just buy ads and things, you look at this, Builderall, you get less money for a big sale, and you can even get even less if you don't make a sale after. Imagine you stop promoting, after 90 days, it will drop down 50%. They will steal your commission, your past work commissions. So think about that, and it will not be as easy to sell depending on which kind of person is currently looking at your offer. And on the other hand, SystemeIO, it's an easy sell because it's simpler. But yeah, that's it. No second level, no rules about you can promote it, stop promoting it, you will still get the money you deserve. You know, that's it. And you get double the money for the same amount of sales, for the same price for the customer. So here you have it. Now you should, of course, as affiliate marketer, you can promote both. Yes, that's always an option, you know. Create a web page, do a comparison table, and put a WordPress and SystemeIO and details all the difference. And at the bottom, or you put buttons with both your affiliate links. So whatever visitors choose, you get the commission anyway. So of course, as affiliate marketers, we are not bound to one or the other. We can do both, and all in one, it will always make money. That's it. But you know, it's a very small for Builderall. I mean, you know, it's very cheap, and it's still it's a online software. You know, it shouldn't be so low, in my opinion. But why they make so low the commission rate is because they had 2 levels at the same commission. So in fact, at first, you know, in Builderall, they were ready to pay out 60% of commissions. Of course, on 2 accounts, 2 affiliate accounts, but still for them it was a big commitment. After they reduced it, they reduced by 10% by creating those fees, you know. And then Builderall has been sold, and the new owners, they introduced a new rules saying, okay, now we will steal 50% of your commissions in the previous years if you are not selling at least one new account every 3 months. That's it. And what's next? What is the next rule? Maybe they will do another rule. Who knows? So for affiliate marketer, this is not going in the right direction. I mean, if someone buy Builderall, they bought it, and 2 months later they introduce this rule. So the buyer, are they out of money already? Why did they buy Builderall? I mean, they should have bought it and put new money into it because they have the money, and not be cheap like this and steal from the affiliates. How can you expect some loyalty? Those are crazy moves, dick moves. And then on the other hand, you have SystemeIO, still quite new to the game, so they are very nice. You know, people are always nice when they need you. So for now, 50% commission, no problem, everything is fine, and they are growing. But wait until 2 or 3 years, what dick moves they will do also. We are not crazy. We know what's happening. So Builderall has done it twice. SystemeIO, not yet. But you have other options, and the future is bright for affiliate marketers. So don't worry about that. Just look at this. You can promote both. Bye bye.